Powerhouse performance. Super fast chip, supposedly powered by the next-gen Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, promising buttery-smooth performance and blazing fast speeds for gaming, multitasking, and everything in between. AI smarts, Samsung's own Galaxy AI platform could take center stage, potentially enabling features like real-time language translation, AI-powered document creation, and personalized recommendations. Camera magic. Pro-level photos. The main camera might jump to a whopping 200 megapixels, capturing stunning detail and vibrant colors. Plus, whispers of improved low light and zoom capabilities have photography enthusiasts buzzing. Video wizardry. Expect smooth 8K video recording and even more advanced editing tools, letting you unleash your inner filmmaker. Display delight. Brighter than ever. Prepare for a brighter and more vibrant display than ever before, perfect for streaming movies or gaming on the go. Smooth sailing. Rumors suggest a super smooth 120Hz refresh rate, making scrolling and animations feel incredibly fluid and responsive. Beyond the specs. Design refinement. While the overall look might stay familiar, expect subtle tweaks and premium materials that ooze sophistication. Sustainability focus. Samsung has been pushing eco-friendly initiatives, so expect recycled materials and energy-efficient features to be part of the package. Remember, these are just rumors and leaks, so take them with a grain of salt. But if they're even half true, the Galaxy S24 could be a real game-changer when it officially launches in early 2024. Keep your eyes peeled for the official unveiling.